Achieving success in life is like climbing the stairs. It goes from one level to the other, and it doesn't matter the number of times you failed at it. Failure is a part of the process. But here is a twist. Please, when you win, do not exhaust your strength rejoicing, because life comes in phases and there is sure another obstacle ahead, except if you want to remain stagnant and obsolete. See you at the top. Peace.